Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing well. Today I'm going to show you the power of makeup. That's inspired by Nikkie Tutorials, also on YouTube, in this case for mature skin. I'm 55 and allegedly I'm supposed to dress a certain way, have my hair a certain way and just wear certain makeup. I don't think so. Please don't get me wrong, I totally appreciate that as we mature that our hair and skin texture changes, but there's lots of things that can influence that, from our lifestyle, our diet, our general health, and let's say ladies in my age bracket going through or past the menopause. But anyway, enough of that. I love playing with makeup, and over the last few years I've watched various makeup artists, influencers, makeup addicts like myself dabble in makeup and make the most amazing transformations. They use all sorts of various products, and I've learnt and I've practiced. I've learnt some more and I practiced some more, and I'm going to keep learning and practicing because it's so much fun. And you know what, I really enjoy kind of just coming up here, having an hour or so to myself and seeing what I can come up with, and whether I follow a tutorial or I just make things up as I go along. It's really therapeutic. And you know, I'm not saying that makeup can make you beautiful and make you feel better. I truly believe that if you feel beautiful inside and really good inside, you know, makeup is just there to enhance it. Okay, it's like the cherry on the top. So today I'm going to make up half my face, or perhaps that side of my face, and you'll see the difference it makes. I'll see you on the other side. Right, I thought I'd bring you in a bit closer so you can see what I'm doing. I won't talk through everything that I'm putting on. The main thing that I've learned about the face is primer, whether it's faces, eyes or lips. They offer really good foundation elements for everything else that you're putting on. A lot of the products I use are by Fenty Beauty, and there are many products out there, and it's all about trial and error. I use two different primers. I use one for majority of my face, and then I use another one for my T-zone because I do get a little greasy in that T-zone. Foundation is Fenty, and this is 420. I originally got colour matched to this. I went to Harvey Nichols. Was it Harvey Nichols? Yeah, went to Harvey Nichols, and Gloss by Deb, makeup artist. She's on Instagram. She was working in there on the Fenty counter, and she colour matched me to this, and it's just the perfect one. It's the texture of it's really great, and it goes on. It can go on thinly. You can just build it up. I love it. I've used other foundations, including MAC, and what else have I used? I've used Uma Beauty, I've used Huda Beauty as well. I tend to come back to this one, but you know, I'm open to try different others. As I said, you just keep trying. Concealer is great, you're just brightening the under eyes and the forehead, basically where the light would normally hit the face. This helps brighten it up. Contour basically puts the shadows back that you lose from evening when you even out the colour from the foundation. So, and it also enhances your cheekbones. And then we set with Fenty. Brows. As you can see, my brows are quite thin and sparse. Never really had thick brows, but I do like having thicker brows. And I use my trusty Anastasia Beverly Hills. And brows are one of the things I'm still practicing with to perfect. I'm not too bad, but they can be better. Brows do take a bit of concentration. Particularly when you're building them up from nothing. So onto my eyes. Love, 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 love my Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion. This is the perfect backdrop to your eyeshadow. And if you're anything like me, if I didn't put this on, in my crease, oils come through, and you used to see where the eyeshadow would start. You'd have the grease lines there, and the eyeshadow would start disappearing. This eyeshadow potion I've been using for a number of years now. Actually, yeah, for the last 2.5 years. And you know, I can put my makeup on 6 o'clock in the morning. Sometimes it'd be 5 o'clock in the morning, and 12 hours later it would be as if I've just put the makeup on. I do have other eyeshadow primers that I'm yet to try, so I'll test them out. They may be just as good, but you need an eyeshadow primer. Using a couple of palettes from the Uma Beauty range, Carnival and also Savage. So just to enhance the contour, some more Fenty Beauty. This is bronzer. Just builds up that contour a little bit more. I like to get all my powder on ahead of me putting any mascara on. I'm just adding some blush. And one of my favourite blushes is a MAC, and this is the colour of Raisin. We will add some highlighter at this stage. So using my Uma Beauty Carnival, this is Barbados. Barbados, lovely, kind of rusty brass colour. And voila, face with makeup, no makeup. So, as I said before, have fun, play with it. Be mindful of the shape of your face, the shape of your eyes, the shape of your eyelid, because some of the people you may watch may have different shapes to you, so when you try to replicate the techniques, they may come out a bit differently. But once you start mastering that, you just have fun and just go with it and just enjoy. Thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If so, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Click that notification bell also, so you'll know when I'm dropping videos anytime. Until next time, love yourself and be happy. Bye.